I'm John Hurd. I'm currently the store manager for RDO Equipment Company in Billings, Montana. Super excited, very honored. You know, this is something that started years and years ago for me, and I've had a long history with WyoTech. It's near and dear to my heart, and this is just a tremendous honor. You know, WyoTech, for me, actually growing up in Laramie, I didn't think that I would ever go or need to go or anything like that. I was going to be a heavy equipment operator, and I did that coming out of high school, and then finally found some passions with cars and wanting to rekindle that passion. And so when you're laid off in the winter in construction, I went to WyoTech and took a 6-month collision refinishing, fell in love with it, couldn't get enough of it, and came back in 1990 and graduated with an occupational studies degree, collision refinishing and trim and upholstery. I actually then began to teach my dad. My dad and I, we painted trucks and cars and built some amazing things together. That transitioned to my brother. We do some things, and he actually is what got me excited about cars and trucks back in the day. And that just led me to then open my own business, Creative Customs. Did that for a few years, and then I found a passion for teaching. And I ended up back with WyoTech for about a 25-year career that I could have never imagined sitting in the classroom at the time. Even though I'm not as active in the trade right now, my family, my brother and my daughter, we race cars, dirt track race, so those skills of welding and fabrication and building panels and bodies and things like that are all needed today. I straighten guys' cars when they get bent. It's a great thing. Don't follow a path that maybe your family has followed. Get involved, try things, explore, and you may find something that you don't know about. Follow that passion, give it time, be patient. The trades are in such demand in our country right now and have always been, but even at a greater level now. We're aging out, so we need new blood coming into the trades, and definitely do it. Don't tell yourself no, tell yourself yes. Find a network, get involved, and keep going.